Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Oh, I love your nipples, baby. Man, you're still like under 18. If touch your pussy, let me see your pussy. Come on. Let's make love like husband and wife. Remove that thing you're wearing. Remove everything. Remove it. Keep the phone in one place and remove it, baby. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Why ikuwa? Avia agbuwa. Why les avia gbera? Why les why? The one leva eva ami wase. Why get back here do? Iri gbenyu why ni da ye do equipment. Nakedness equipment what view what of view yada. Why we be suena again? Why we be suwen? Me ma blame wa. Iri women na make be agboto why me blame. That's why I make be ma ho re mi tiare ni wa ni tia presenter na make be ma ho na. I want to you quick mark can share what you media. I say we gonna continue. I want on your part to pass on no man go ya eku. Take us soon away baby what we don't what the bass the mama. Who do this guy say na? Who want go free? You will never go free. Who can this of Igbo? You go receive your punishment. What you do this man so? What you do this woman so now go kill you? I say you not get mama. I say you not get mama. If you get mama, you go see her. No marry, woman, eh? The way you go climb woman chest, now you go die. No marry. Then why you go now? Why they don't have who? Then why you go? Why they don't have who? Why me? I won't ban was one of one. Why did I war? Then he carried out a general winner.
If it bonya biakia. If it bonya biakia. If you dog at big biakia. Yeah, passion. Yeah, so much yam your toy la water. If it bo, yeah, big biakia, yeah, bad, yeah, passion, yeah, graduate, yeah, passion. If it bo, big biakia, netemu. If it bebe biakia. Abi wama why you go Igbo of your man 60-70 years here you be akia. Well me over to no by 70 years in Oyejupo. But if Igbo 70 years or you be akia. So why that time ma be akia say if Igbo nya be akia. Are you go Igbo be akia. What? Madam. Umanam ye we o da menu eh. Because if you know Sonny me wading, and I'm your way, or whopper, if I have a good because what he have a couple, Okanumate, or what quick one, one unu way, or whopper, Neddy Banner. Unu away a video, who am die. Or why talk me out where on our way. We are all who go egg, who be your room, who be your out. Lama, well, the man who will be away. I may what I will take. I wouldn't want the camera. I wouldn't wait up watch. Who want now? No, one fire, who want video again. Madam, already, Uriape, Uriape, again soon. I ain't gonna soon. But writing was sister dog belly. When he I wushi or soon, Ziegbe or Ekama, or me, Bernie, I walk or Kakupo or not Kaki or New Hay about be. So a new thing that I beg we even know even a woozy. Only not a big boashi. If when you take it take it easy. Or I'm yet to hear book woman. So any na a woozy, Ziebe, but to be happy. Oh, big bony to Nishai. Oh, manatic bear. Womanatic Bobby Boni. Womanatic Bobby Boni. Hi, oh God. church yo wa mu Bible ni ge kona. Mu ge kona. Uma mi we yo da me o ba ne pa kana da me mata. Ugwe mana mi we o no me be amoma no me be umwe ari wa ekete. O no me be no me passport. Amwe be ni a afie fo ame Monichola Mohammed Airport. Me kamugwe. O no me be. O no me nwina. O wa me po me nwina. Aye mwe be ni afie fo ame Monichola Mohammed Airport. So mana mi we yo ta ve o. Ono pa wa ni wa to tama won. Na show mi we. Ene no agba se yo go wa ni ko fa bo e bo no jeni. O me ni tene e ya aka gbe o pe ana. O mo ni ka da so ko ni latia. Wege ni. O me ni na. Oni oni e ba ni me ana akoko. O ku pe ba na mi we madam. Eche e ka e kwa obi to ki. Umana mi we. If you know we na. We ba na mi we ono pa so ro ki aso no bo.
My people, now well done. Now welcome back to Edo Tafia Mebo YouTube channel. And then before I start at all, I want to use this medium to wish everybody a happy weekend. Yeah, and so it be. And this story so make we just jump in right now because this is something they anchor so many people. They make so many people the verse. And I mean, even including us where we did here at Edo Tafia Mebo YouTube channel. And I mean, first and foremost, it just the baffle me where we say this time my generation now, woman go come out and say you say a boyfriend an able person. That's something I don't even know. How that's what they feel. Now scarcity of men, they cause those things I'll be waiting. Ik be agi revo o whole ladian. O vie do who. O ladian o boyfriend o vigbo no. Few years back in mana o no ladian o no mo o vigbo. O ekwe geri ladian voy. Ama o no friend o vigbo. Ekwe geri ladian. Na scarcity of men, I be all those things I'll be waiting. We be say can't even reach that level. Igbo ni ruwe. Igbo ni ami wulu ye ke Nigeria they say we bun na iko do gbo ve ya or di woman na mi be my no see where the way of Igbo we here to choose as a boyfriend. I don't care whoever woman with this thing go anger or no that one of Igbo no the boyfriend of Igbo I don't care the truth in him o ho do wala dia we no ho ni wa dagre pass we of Igbo no mama we here do aje nye ya harwe na the camera we may go set you up. Idwaka yame. Idwe yame. In fact, also ni na tiame. Also ni na tiame. Ni na tiame. We Igbo here we no do we na. Of course, that's the ultimate. You know, that's eventually no reason to no matter what. Either we now or no the way we almost to result to like that, like to that situation. Here, though Igbo no ne ovie we no we be on hell. Just baffle me. And at the same time, I don't know only or can be sending I be you want to send the give you. I want to send the give of you just to cause that emotional distress, like no cause that no think like no you depressed. I want to send the igbe ije akarije I want to send the give you need you man. Also, no wagle check it back. A few years time again, I will buna kiwado sweet ben. It bena my days scarcity of maybe the cat no they take be revo or whatever. Then I are Nigeria. Ekwe o horo palanya we dafunya o vigbo no. Ekwe ge real than webu. Because all you na me ekwe no my milk be also na ya hang up with a wigbo. All you na me last option in here. I mean way who one day boyfriend of vigbo no. Or yella down your boss to do very soon. I don't say we bone na they take the hero or whatever then do a ligbo ni do a bill and nigbo. Do you they do a car cutting right from time. I mean why our cutting right from time. Igboni rikita igboni rue. Igbena na me would you bone as one rain ya mwe son. Ohono logbo ohono ekita no ni moto gbe yupo in ya mwe son. No, why you move and then anything at all, you know, a presenter as loud anything at all, we be say or like you know, kind of do why you do tie. When you work a boss or you work a boss support Mama Joy the by or no pano go everywhere. Only so who in my yen here in Mobomwe, Yami Mama Joy Mobomwe Yankube. I would like to know her name, but in my yen up to now. You know? You don't know how are you moving me? For real. Gini we bodo we ovie do right from Tayanke we gbe na. Even ye Mama Joy in fact, Mama Kenny are not going to fit talk long because already me and the tita Mama Joy the by Okunok Pania Taloene. If I don't have me viedo vaco na who our way of we go of a quay. My me oh man. Oh damn it, oh damn it, the way where we ma. Even the way why do I make buwak bottle? I me can I way you wanna rock pani who we boy, you wanna rock pani a cow we go to our all African countries. If we go, a Ghana noir, a Togo noir, Cameroon noir, a Guinea noir, Cote d'Ivoire noir, a Togo noir, whatever. In Namibia noir, a Zimbabwe noir, South Africa noir, if we go, yeah. If we go, yeah, what big bag of here. Ariedo, safe, Ariedo. Ariedo. Yeah, big bag of if we go, yeah. And even who don't back high, if we go and retire, 16 years, yeah, so in Biagan, yeah, say 80 years, I said the for me, no, it began and how out here. Yeah, billing, yeah, all saying again, here, billing, yeah, billing, yeah, with me, yeah, billing for near to bill away, till the end, one, till the end of time. Hey, if we go to all African countries, if we go, yeah, man, big bag. Only time my cabo walk over we bo video ni keka. Yeah, ye bo. Yeah, my cabo walk over we bo video ni keka. Are ye all African countries? If we go all big bag all through. In fact, are ye we ma Edo state. If we go all through. Any joint at all na big bag and the Nigeria are ye apart from say we win. Because anyway, because we move away we ani one game we get away the east wodo. You know, but go to any part of Nigeria, any part of African countries. If you go ni walk big aga here. We are say we bonus self. If you go big aga, aye mo pan yo yen. Ave mo pan yo ne pan do, e pan yen do zifwen. Yen wa big aga na be we bona na yena. Since am we pan yo ne e boni keriwe. Oh, damn sham. This was something what damn. Mother son, la wo and the presenters too. When the Mama Joy high. Amenity no concern if you do waga ye do tie. Wala wo. The subscribers no gualo, the viewers no gualo. No my make a rade. The big no gualo. You know, everybody just feel like say. My I feel like say maybe ye able tell me then more viewers go come or people go to say maybe you get more. Man is you label on at all. Eh? How maybe a wow or wame dignity or wame on mammy or you butai. Eh? When we work bottle, can I move your work bottle? Even nam we a work bottle. I'm talking about if you do state FFF. It can nam wear a pack bottle, even nam work bottle. Good idea, dog my yakin. Master name, when I tell you, one you know? Well, okay, now only say waga imani ya concluded na okay na ni one na de ba ye joy de ba no pani na beg emi ani ata and emi afefe ni whatever i ware gbe bayan ya afefe i ware gbe bai kakabo. Okay, now do well, my people. May Baba God continue to bless you now. Now do well, my bye.
Turn around, let me see your ass, baby. Turn around, baby. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. If you've got it all, man. You've got it all, man. Come on, hold the phone, show me your pussy, open it for me, let me put my dick.
Hey, madam, where give your momo? Oh, you went out to a back in now. We are high. I mean, we no war bar. War momo. And then why I see why ban on my queer. Okay, then Jimmy to weigh me, none where nothing. Why walk back by the WhatsApp? Why a video call? Why make it love? Why? And ready there, El Momo. Everywhere we're going to be out there. Then we're here of you when he. Why they want? I demand if you don't any bova. Why you was say? Why did not tell me now? Why you feel why is I my rock back? What my rock back? Imagine you young me let me tell you one way what the deck be. Why me mommy, mommy this, mommy that? Why respect age wa? Why wa fear o? I do ma fear o. Oh, you boy when you are your turn again when you are your turn. Una away rubbish. I don't want to age we ma do big boni. Then I want to get age on we ma do big boni. We must not be a big boni. With your appearance, I won't walk away. Well, mama. I knew your turn of Igbo. I don't know why the whole world. C'est great face, what about show here? Why don't la jawa anyone gallant, anyone he was say everyone but where? Every time I preach why you naked in my man. Oh, you go when naked in my ear. Where have you been walking is been on your Peruma Beleva? I to away, but where Betty. Ula naked in my that of you will not be saying go better for you. Now go back go kill you. For what you do this woman so? Except you don't pass of Aqua River. If you pass that river, they go swallow you. It can never be well with you. Except you come beg the woman. And just now go clean up more for the whole world. Because now nonsense you do. Now Avia River, they go kill you. Avia you call what we go no do kina. Ovia o nu riakin. Walking agbo so pa ma lo kwa ni yo wa. They do all less kwa ni gbere ba kan mi o e wa kan mi o se. Ko sa ga wo ko na e. Where to can so say, who won't do disgrace say, why go ya why go boy? Why go boy? What the money kindness or the money dagbo? And I appreciate my what they go na tabu what they why we na when I go ya avoid victims or what ba. Any be ka wa agree. No to gba lo pe àwọn me pe mu be wonu je ba. Men o ka wa ka wi gbe wi ego ni wa gba lokian. I wait to be money put no ni put them ban but whether good or bad of you will even man say. Men wa di an can you imagine when you when boy 60 years? No, don't disgrace a bay na near. That nobody way ya get where. That when a egg way ya get where. That when I was say way ya get where. Ya wa you ya new na. Ya yi wa. I don't get way dagbo. Wa fear o. If you go alu wa anyhow. Una de ka no gba wa gbono gun agbe. No ma be iwo iye wo e no ya tian to order. Ya oni ase titi yedo si ye ya. Me no wu wa. What is what full leg boy na? Tell me to me unia. I would why I beg una ye boy you know. Emma. Ye mama fe see na jana mo fe see me fe se le no fi anwu. Oh, you not go better for you oh. It not go better for you. What do you do this woman so? If na better thing you do, now you go through. But if na bad thing you do to this woman, now Google kill you. Now go kill, now go back go kill you. You're not gonna see the body bury. Ikunwamiemu, yami bury ye. So you need done. I only na batty do to this woman, eh? Don't be forced to make friend. You don't want her, you go let her go. How much you can't get from what you do nothing? Why not said though? Why is that over? Why is it bo? I mean, everybody was saying, talk back. Then I went now the boy time. Why didn't they pay the name? Why would we make bottle? Why he money here going? As well as the Murphy. No, we are still a copy master. Go on, done nowhere a papa mumu. Why is one not disgracing the woman yet to the Midiana? Why we are bottom here? Eke one answer to why I said one to answer bo. Why you be a gayavo? And now here one I hear. I want on your part to pass no one egg where you why is it not Roviviere? Why is it can I start here? Why you will make I shall want your media? What's here be a gear? What I mean, you book bay or send my navy at Dogbe. It's bad bad be a gear. Oh, what me I move your talk. If it boy, you I'm a queer gear, you're telling a butter. Yeah, beg be a gear. Oh, manager, what are you got for Funu? What are disgracing here? Any may blame on me, do I watch you? You may blame. Single mother, and I came a single mother. Was in Nigeria, single mother of power. I will back and I single mother, yeah. It's all over the world. Even in I but I'm working here, boy, a single mother of a boom winner. The man of the manager don't ask you, eh? Why get back here? Why disgrace this quick women there? Why do I want to rock a media? The baby in your power present him, man. Then why am I give one bottle? What do I present it? A rubbish in the bow, the video about the web or send my video do. But where are we? If you buy far like be near ya say be as one say we yan no go make and we make na near ta e dey gbo beje near ya say po yes one say we yan but man if you do e ma na we gbela de media ado azebo no magba you make na understand no wata you make na understand no sunu. You buy our war. He said, Bo, Jorobania can say, I tell me, I tane, he shot him, eh? Eric Bobeje. He may miss a media, but he out there, he won't have no soon. But he has it, Bo. Madame Mike Bonia said, but I, because if we are understanding near time. We are no soon. But okay, man, if you don't know, if I want to answer the pool, when I want to answer the pool, no man banning. The way your daughter walk, I'm going to media. I don't why you tete. I don't why you tete. If I go up when I saw, why have you very media? Imagine in short, imagine yakuwa bawa nene presenters in the media eh. A problem eh roto wa cause ya. A 41 ya no. Wana wa presenters na wa cause problem na ya roto. Cause wa aki ya kwa ni ya go. Wa aki ya ni ya. So why go? Why go? Why say problem na you talk? Why you have one of you going? Why here ni bo? Awa wa mama gboro fugbo. Ekere agbere ni ko gui. Ko di wa achuchu ku ma e ma. Wa esova. Onye na wanyida ku ma ni bu wa Emma. Waga agbada na tabata. Ya ga ri na papa mo oge okwo gbere wa ma ti gba oge. Ma ti gba oge ko ri eyo wa. O la ga efe iban wa azu, o ma be ya yaro bi wa papa ni. Be disgrace no ya mi eba. Wo gwa agbo e mo la wa. Wa gbo anyhow. Oh no, disgrace qui ma rien. Oh non, mi qui ma gboto rien. Le ni gbe ri la. Done. Ave na gba nu pogodo. E ma gba gbo ehun egbe o la wa. Wa o do a full liquid man. Ti egbe agia. Ko ire Nigeria ya ma se ni rewe bo ma. Iya ma se rewe bo nwa kari ko yogwa. Wa sunu. Yana ko wede na. Ki ba bo. La wa ga jona. Ko so wa mu me the verse.
La o diona ogwona ne wa ga a picture here na the media. Oni koko. La wo no re dam wo to na wa gomedi so obo me. Wa gomedi so obo me. Mada ko. Ihe we ebi no sunu ne. Because of where I we ikpia here agwa ina. Ebi ni ya ugwe ni ku ya fefefe no give ne de gba na. Awe ugwa we cause ogwe ukono zo ogwe ihe agbe iwe agbe kenana agbe wa na agbe bieto. Ebi ni obi gbo we na ihu ya fe owe. Ibi we ma so ogwe rudane ni ku ma ni ana gbigbe agasi ene ni bi gbo na mi afo no pa itawe ri o ibi gbo nya gbe agia ibi gbo onya gbe agia ibi eto ga gbigbe agia ia passion ia usiwa se ya mi odo ya lawodo ibi gbo ia gbigbe agia ne temu ia bam ia passion ia graduate ia passion ibi gbo gbigbe agia ne temu ibi gbe gbe agia abi wa mai wa igbo okyo ma 60-70 years ya gbigbe agia wa mi obi eto no by 70 years no yejupo but igbo 70 years o ye gbigbe agia so wa e gata ma gbigbe agia se ibi igbo nya gbe agia ari upo ibi gbe gbe agia won madam umana mi mi we o ta menu e cause mi no so ni me wadigi ana mi egbe ohu oba ibi eya be ku egbe because wari abeka abo ogbenu ma ede o wa ku ekwa o wa nu unu hewe ohu oba na de gbana unu wewe ye video wo amudai o ko to pe akubu eru ruwa ona awuwe we o ga ku bo egbe ugbo bi yo ru ku bi yo awo la ma we de na nu ogbebuwe ama e gwagwa gbo teka ogwunu gwa te camera ya ogwunu we dogwoji ugwanya no gwa vaiwa ugwa video ri egie amada ori ape ba ori ape ya ge isunu I go na sunu ne but the right in one si so to gbe lege e oye when the na wuji or sunu ne zi egbe egba ma awa o mi bre mi awoko o kekupo ona kekeki onu he yi ba pie so we new thing that beg we no e na wuji na be gbe boaji if when you take it take it easy or am here to hear book so any na be wuji zi egbe beturi abi obi boni tunishai o manati gbe wo manati bobi boni o manati bobi boni hish oh god o church yo wa mo bible ni get corner mo le corner o ma mi we yo da me o ba ni pa kan da me mata ugwe mana mi mi we o no me be amoma no me be mwe ari wa ekete o no me be no me passport amwe be ni a fie fo ame monitola Mohammed airport me hamugwe o no me be o no me nwina o wa ame pro me nwina aye mwe be ni a fie fo ame monitola Mohammed airport so mana mi we o ta o ono pa wa ni wa to tama won na shogu mi we ene no agba se yo igbo wa ni fa bo ebo no jeni o me ni tene e ara ka gbe o pe ana o mo ni ka da so ko ri latia mege ni o me ni na onu onu e ba ni me ana akoko ogu gbe bana mi we madam e che e ka e kwa obi to ki umana mi we if you know we na gbe bana mi we ono pa so ro ki aso no me I went to me at you. God, not the vessel. Why, when you know, when you know, kind, when you know, with me. You know, carry a hero in a dobe, or two of my okawegi. So, on your back, I will need to come out. If you are here, equal or good at yourself, while I'm on you. 70 years here, you look boy, here back there.
Good morning.
Yeah, best. A picture big bony while I no here a picture big bony what bele yata. A picture big bony what bele yata. Oh, by no why he Giajo wase. Ne ajo wa jena ya jo wa Nigeria jena ya hu okwa enipo because okay too much in yagbe. Oh, by no why he Giajo wase. Ne ajo wa jena ya hu okwa ni bipo. When you live when you live, yeah, told the story. Oh, why? Okay, I Bobby Bonnie. Or when they look, dog bela, the kinotona. Oh, why he almost to, okay, almost to, ya, tisse. On your back, I only to Tamawa. El Juana, Matala, what go to your soap. Oh, man, I mean, you will be going, how you are talking? Because no one else on there. Mana mi wo bi boni e ka obi to kin mi we me show mi we a ka be do no we asinye o we na we eputi we kwale ni we no die o ti boy ona go to we mi amefi eri awe ma be na eke wa we me no wa we na no we no wa bi o egbe eta won ye e wa oni wo to tama won e picture bi boni wala no yin ogun wa ya gbele ye media wa gbele ye media no wa le gbejo obi gbo no ya show e nakedness oku e na hin wa gbejo wa gbele lati ya wa to wa e ye ma to wa wo gbele o he yada. Why go to a picture of your lay? Benalatia. What cause you? What I say, what call what bye.
If you do, I call you. Wala wo. Mama ovi gbona. Onya miri na no gun agbe na no gun ba agbe. No do yo ko na junu na. Wa ya mebo gbe wa aja sene. Ibi ajo ya wa aja se ni yesa wa aja se ne wa mebo gbe akwa ro ki agbe ye le kwa ni gbera no go free una di kanu ogun agbo egbe ma we won na wa ge gbo ki vie do na Amaka do kan Igbo, my Igbo, Edo Igbo. Edo Igbo. Eri ya no suna Igbo won kan ka sun won Even the nakedness ni Igbo won kan the way the Igbo ya ni nakedness here woman Latin is too much. Opugbe. As we gbin anje ni na we stop it, na ya we gbe continue na again. Ogbon bara agbo Igbo ni. Una di kan ogbon bara agbo ogbe ma we. E wa nu vi okian. Ira bo ala wa ya pe. Sisi wa we gbe jogu wa na pa. Wa wo wa eze do bobekun. Akwa iku wa. Avia kan agbo wa. Wa le zo vi agbera. Wa le zo wa de wa le ba eba mi wa se. Wa wo wa ge gbo kiri edo. Iri gbo nyun wa ni da ye do ikwima. Nakedness ma ikwima wa vie wa do vie ya da. Wa we gbe sun na again. Wa we gbe sun we. Me ma blame wa. Iri we man mo gbe agboto wa me blame. Especially ari pe gbe ma ko re mi tiare ni wa ni tia presenter na gbe ni gbe ma ko na. Iya won kan ka ikwima ki a se wo ye media. A se gbe na continue. Awon no pa to pa so no mo nya gbe ya eku. Tiko sunu owe gbe wo be ni. We lo ko ni wa ti gba se de omomo. Who do this girl say na? Who wa go free? You will never go free. Who can this of Igbo? You go receive your punishment. What you do this man so? What you do this man so now go kill you? I say you not get mama. I say you not get mama. If you get mama, you go see her. No marry. No marry woman, The way you go climb woman chest, now you go die. No marry. They don't want you to why they don't have who. They don't want you to work whether they don't have who. Why me? I hope Banner was one of one. Why did I war? Then he carry a general winner.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.